Air vents can be one of the more difficult items in your car to clean. Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate an easy and effective way to clean the dust off your vents using a blob of gel. This slime-like product helps to get rid of dust, crumbs, and more. Now it can be especially difficult to remove dust from small or hard to reach areas such as air vents, cup holders, and all the little nooks and crannies like these little window switches. This ColorCoral universal dust cleaner thing isn't like any typical feather or microfiber duster. It's, well, a blob made of biodegradable gel that can conform to any shape and grab onto dust or grime lodged into hard to reach spots. The gel texture is adhesive enough to pick up dirt, but not too sticky or goopy that the blob ends up getting stuck onto your hands, as long as it doesn't get too warm. Now here's how to use it. Using clean, dry hands, just knead a piece of the ColorCoral cleaning gel into a ball and push it slowly in and around the surface you want to clean. The gel will conform to the surface and fit and pick up any dirt. All that said, the stuff isn't perfect. Keep in mind that some people say the cleaner was more sticky slime than gel, and therefore frustratingly difficult to use. But this really only happens when the gel gets too warm. So if you store it at room temperature, as opposed to, say, in your car glove compartment, it shouldn't be a problem. In addition, the gel isn't designed to last forever. The manufacturer states the gel can be reused several times until it turns a dark color, a sign that it has absorbed as much dirt and residue as it can. But considering that the blob only costs approximately $14 to begin with and saves you time and multiple tools, its short lifespan seems acceptable. There you have it, a fast and easy way to clean the dust off of all those difficult nooks and crannies. So make sure you help to keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend. Also, please comment below as I reply to all. Plus, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.